Hey, do you want to make chicken ramen? Let's get into it.
Next, you will need your ingredients. First, you need chicken ramen, a measuring cup, and a pot.
Next, you're going to use your measuring cup and fill it up with 2 cups of water. Then you want to pour it in your pot. When you're done with that, head over to the stove top and turn it on to about medium.
Now, wait for it to boil.
Once the water is boiling, take your noodles and put it into the boiling water.
Now, wait for about 3 to 4 minutes to let the noodles cook.
Once the noodles are done, turn off the heat and grab your noodles and carefully pour them into your bowl.
Next, once your noodles are in your bowl, you want to take your seasoning and pour it into the noodles and mix it.
Once you're done mixing, you're ready to enjoy. And if you want to add hot sauce, do it.
That's some good ramen.
Really good ramen.
Even Gordon Ramsay approves.